Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are healthy and safe. Many people believe artists are born with the talent and that not everyone can create it. But believe me, anyone who can appreciate art can create an art and any type of art, and there is no age limit for it. There are people who have started paintings post-retirement and believe me, they become successful. It really relaxes us. We feel happy. Hence my request to my viewers to create your masterpiece now. We are there with you. You have learned eye, nose and mouth in the last two tutorials and also other parts of the face. Today we will make the remaining part of the portrait and learn how to make special hair. For this, I first take an eraser, a pencil and a pen. First of all, we make hair flow with the pencil. Remember that we bring the flow of the pencil from the top to the bottom. Now we complete the part of the forehead with a pen. For this, we do the same process as it did for the eyes and nose. First we make a light shade and then move to the dark shade. And there should be no space between two strokes. Now we start making sketches of hair. For this, we first start creating the highlighted area of the same. We will make a sketch of hair in its flow direction only. Each stroke of ours will form with the flow of hair. You can see that I made a lighter part in the entire area because the problem is not to be left where there is a highlight. To see the depth of hair, we have to use dark shades. For this, the ball pen has to be given pressure. In our reference image, the ear of the portrait is covered with hair. So we are not teaching how to make ear in this tutorial. Therefore, we will learn to make the shape of the ear in another tutorial. Similarly, we complete the flow of hair with the combination of dark and light color shades. The entire hair will be made in this way, and the flow of stroke will also be in the direction of flow of hair. complete the hair on the other side with the same process. Also, we have to show the highlighted area with lighter shades or surface color. Here also you can see that we have shown the depth of hair with light and dark shades. And the flow of hair has also completed through the same shades. If you want to watch part 1 and part 2 of this lesson, then press the I button above, or I have provided links for you in the description box of this video. In this way, our portrait is almost done now. Only the finishing touch remains to be given. I hope you like this tutorial and you have enjoyed it a lot. If you have not seen the first and second part of this lesson, you can see the link through it by hitting the I button above. Or you can also see the link given in the description box. I request you that if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you very much.